Hi, I'm at this great pilgrimage site called Manikaran, which will not only inspire you but also restore faith in humanity. Located amidst mountains and greenery, you will surely drown. No, not in the pool, but in peace. I bet this is a lifetime experience you must have before you die. And let me tell you why. Look, I'm not religious, but I know what others and I felt at this place. I felt the heartwarming welcome with a big smile by the volunteers who feel blessed to get this chance. आप क्यों कर रहे हैं सब?
सेवा करने आए यहाँ पर घर पे।
Because they believe in दूसरों की खुशी में. Sacred food is served, but wait, this is no ordinary meal. It is made not by cooking on the fire, but by putting huge vessels in the magical curing springs. The famous hot boiling sulfur springs, which are admired by millions who come here for a dip in the healing waters. This food is served as a service to the humanity, to every person who sits down to eat, regardless of their rank, age, caste, and religion. And trust me, my hunger never felt so satisfied after having a meal like this before. And once you are finished with eating and prayers, you need to take a dip in the holy springs. It is believed that the hot springs can cure skin diseases, arthritis, and spiritually clean the mind. Well, because Manikaran hot spring is said to have uranium and other radioactive minerals in it. Manikaran not only fills your stomach but also fills your soul with the pure energy and vibes. I'm sure after the visit to Manikaran you'll feel blessed and rejuvenated. The whole place with the blend of mountain vibes and community service sends a strong message that there are still some people who are striving to make the world a better place.